Given that many other countries like Britain have abolished corporal punishment in school, do you think that corporal punishment should still be carried out in Singapore? Why or why not? An example is appreciated.
No example.
No example.
As in, I think to a certain extent, I think corporal punishment is needed to help instill the discipline, to help instill the student has to understand that they have to actually abide by rules, and there's rules and regulations for a reason for us to abide and all. And I think corporal punishment can be a deterrent to such students breaking the school rules and regulation lah. So yeah, to a certain extent, I believe that we should still have corporal punishment in Singapore. I mean, simple acts that being late and stuff. I think, a simple corporal punishment would be good lah. But I mean, for those bigger crimes stealing and stuff, I don't think corporal punishment is enough. I think they should have even bigger consequences.
I think it should still be carried out as caning, as it is like the last resort of all punishments to students, and I think it's quite effective in disciplining students, so it should be continued to be carried out. If a student is so rebellious to the extent that scolding and counselling means almost nothing to them, without the punishment, the only way to really punish him is to expel. But I feel that expulsion is not the most effective way, and I feel that there are other more effective ways.